attack is underway in Barcelona. We intercepted chatter on a possible drone attack. We figure it's Page's operation.
I know Page's methods. This means that our chances of locating Saunders are good.
Phantom units, move in and secure Saunders.
Lieutenant, we have reached the insertion zone.
Muchas gracias, afición. Este es para vosotros. ¡Sí!
Got it.
Intel picked up a money trail. This guy Saunders is a clear connection to Page, right?
It goes even deeper. They were both special forces and served in the same unit.
Shit.
Okay, we're picking up a wireless signal. It's coming from the town square.
Saunders?
According to the data we've intercepted, yes. If so, remember, we need him alive.
Keep it quiet. Positive contact. One hostile, stealthy takedown. Good work. Now let's surprise these clowns.
They don't suspect anything. Let's take them out. Shot! Weapons out! Engage the hostile!
Any more bullets! 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 Any more bullets!
Shoot at anything flammable! Down! Return fire! Roger that! Weapons free! Engage! Fire at will!
Any more bullets! Any more bullets! Any more bullets! Any more bullets!
have no updates on the president's whereabouts. We need a lead, and right now Saunders is all we have.
Knight, they know we're here. Give me more details on Saunders' location. I need specifics.
Affirmative.
Open and clear, on my mark. Downs, take the lead. Acknowledged. Advancing. We have a visual on your position. Hold position. We'll take out the hostile. Hostiles in the alley. To the right. Rocket inbound! Take them out! Enemies behind that truck! Shit! On the balcony! Take them out! Blake! Watch out! Fuck! Down! We had our hands full! Moving to your location now! Let's go, Blake! They're flanking me! I need support! Down! We're on our way! Down! Maintain your position at the fountain! We'll regroup on you! Blake Walker, what's your 6? We have visual on you! Clearing the path toward the fountain! Weapons free! Open fire! Under heavy fire! That's another kill! Time to move! Let's go! Hostiles inbound! Target down! Good aim! Damn! I'm changing clear! Good work, Blake. Area secure. Down. You okay? Yeah, 555, Lieutenant. Copy that. Let's get some. Knight, what's our situation?
We've triangulated the signal down to a radius of about 200 meters northwest of your position.
Affirmative.
Walker, judging from satellite imagery, I'm guessing that Saunders is near the City Hall building.
Copy that. Tango eliminated.
fire. I'm not armed. Listen, Page is insane, and he'll do anything in order to bring America down. Just hear me out. You need to understand what he's planning. It's not just America, it's every powerful and affluent nation. Son of a bitch!
Blake, pursue the target. Downs and I will try to cut Saunders off via helo.
businessman.
He's lying. Get it out of him, Blake.
Oh, easy. I'll talk. Listen, taking the president hostage isn't even important. Page will murder President Burke just for the sheer joy of it. He's already put something in motion. Something huge. Oh, damn it! I'm cooperating. I have something. An encrypted hard drive. It contains access codes for the entire American drone network. Page would be able to send these drones against American troops, civilians, nuclear facilities, anything. Just take it. I'm on your side.